guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, for those of you who are new here. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about some snacks that I eat that have helped me lose weight. And keep in mind, like, I do Weight Watchers freestyle, so the snacks that I eat may not work for you, or if you're doing a different kind of diet, maybe these aren't the snacks for you, but these are snacks that I eat and, I'm losing weight, and yeah. So I just wanted to throw that out there right quick. So just because it's working for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. So you just have to find whatever works for you. And let's just go ahead and jump on in with the first thing that is sitting in front of me. So the first thing that is sitting here are these Probable chips by Lay's. Now, if you're doing Weight Watchers, you can have 28 pieces of these and it would be 5 smart points. And if you're not familiar with Weight Watchers, what Weight Watchers is obviously it's just a program that's going to help you lose weight, and depending on your age and how much you weigh and how active you are, they're going to give you an allotted amount of points per day. I believe that I get 26 points per day, and that really is more than enough. I always have anywhere between 5 and 10 points left over for my day. Like I said here, these are the Probable Lay's. These are 5 smart points for Weight Watchers, and that's if you eat 28. So you don't have to eat the 28 pieces. You can eat less for less points. And this is a new flavor that I just got yesterday. It tastes okay. I've had the sea salt one that tastes really good. They taste like Pringles. And I recently just got like the honey barbecue, and those are really good. I think those are my favorite. And then these creamy jalapenos, they taste pretty good, but they're not my favorite. So yeah. And then the next thing that I snack on is this pretty big bag of popcorn. This is by the brand Pop Zero, and this is in the flavor Cinnamon Toast. And this popcorn is so good. It doesn't even taste like it's healthy. So it's really, really, really good. Like, they have like the cinnamon sprinkled in there, and it, like, some pieces are a little bit like salty. It's just a really, really, really good snack. And since this whole bag is pretty big, you do get pretty full off of it. So if I'm in between like my breakfast and my lunch and I'm feeling hungry in between there, I can eat like half the bag and then it'll be fine. And then if I get hungry after my lunch, then I'll eat the other half. And it's really, really good. It's really filling. So this popcorn is gluten-free. It's a vegan product. It has large size kernels. It's whole grain, no cholesterol, 0 preservatives, 0 GMO, no high fructose corn syrup, and 0 trans fat. And this whole entire bag is only 4 smart points. It's like a win-win. The next thing are these caramel rice cakes. These are only 2 smart points, and I really, really like these whenever I have like a sweet tooth. I think that they're really good. And the caramel ones. And sometimes I put a little bit of that marshmallow cream on there. I just put like a teaspoon of it and just put a little bit at the top. I eat this whenever I really, really, really want some dessert. Then I'll put that a little bit of the marshmallow cream and put it over top of it, and it's like so good. But these rice cakes are only 2 smart points for the whole thing. So this is something else that is really, really good. Like I said, I eat this more for like dessert because they have different flavors, and I love caramel, so I got the caramel kind. And then the next snack that I also really like, it's kind of like a combo snack. I eat these 2 together. So I eat these Laughing Cow cheese wedges. And these are so good. These are only 1 smart point for the whole little wedge. And the garlic and herb one is my favorite. I do like the pepper jack one, but that one is is so spicy for some cheese. I'm like, why is this so spicy? But yeah, so it's got a really good flavor, but I can't even eat the whole wedge, so I don't buy those. But these are really good, and I like to pair it with these pretzel crisps. I believe these are 3 Smart Points for 11 crackers, and the crackers are like a really decent size, so it's more than enough to eat with the cheese wedge. So if you combine the two together, then it'll be 4 Smart Points. But again, it's also like really filling, so yeah, it's really good. If you don't like pretzels and you just want to eat the cheese, then go for it. This cheese is so good. It's so good. It says here on the back of this, it has pairing suggestions. So they suggest pretzels, apples, and carrots. So those are some alternatives there. And also if you were to pair it with an apple or a carrot, all fruits and vegetables are 0 points with Weight Watchers. So you could essentially still eat the cheese with like an apple and it'll be just a 1 point snack. So that's something to keep in mind if you don't like pretzels. And the very next snack that I eat this very rarely, but sometimes I just really want some candy. And when those candy cravings kick in, I turn to these Smart Sweets. These are so freaking good. Okay, so I've tried the gummy bears and I've tried the little like fish. They're kind of like the Swedish fish. And then I've tried the Sour Blast. And I believe that the Swedish fish are plant-based. So that's really good. I have more bags of these, but I keep them at work because that's when I get like a really snacky mouth when I'm at work. So I just keep them all there, and I have like 1 bag here at home just in case I want some candy. But these are really good. Again, if you're doing Weight Watchers, this bag of candy would be 3 Smart Points. And what I like about these also is, I'm just reading from the back here, they are high in fiber and they are free from artificial sweeteners. They're dairy, soy, and lactose free. And they're naturally flavored and they're free from artificial colors. And these are so good. Like my kids really like these too. And my favorite ones are the little fish ones. And my kids really like those. And those are the ones that are plant-based. So whenever, you know, they want candy, I just give them some of these. And I don't feel bad about it because they're eating like, it's better than them eating like the real Swedish fish that's loaded with sugar and stuff we don't want or need in our body. And then the very last snack that I have here in front of me are these Built bars. So here I have a big box of the coconut ones, and these Built bars, they've become, I think, my favorite snack. They are so good. So here is what they look like. These here. Oh my god. So I initially bought this sample box and I liked all of them except for the orange. I'm not a big fan of orange. I mean, it tasted decent. It just literally tasted like orange and chocolate. But this coconut one here, this is my all-time favorite one. This tastes like a straight up Almond Joy. It tastes so good. I highly recommend these to you guys. And the really awesome thing about these is this bar here has 15 grams of protein, 110 calories, 6 grams of fiber to help keep you regular, and only 5 net carbs. and it's literally like a treat. These don't taste like they're healthy at all. They're made with real chocolate, and the inside of the bar is like a marshmallow type consistency, and they are so good. They're so filling. They're loaded with protein. So these are also great post-workout or pre-workout. These are so good. I eat these like in between meals. Sometimes I have one of these after my workout. I typically don't like to eat after my workout, so the last time that I eat food would be like when I eat my lunch at work. Because after my workout, it's like a pretty intense workout, so I don't really get hungry, but I know that my body needs protein, so it's just easier for me to grab a protein shake and call it a day, because I work out pretty late, so you know, I don't want to eat anything heavy anyway. So it's just easier for me to grab a protein bar or a protein drink and just eat it or drink it. And these are so good. Oh, they're so good. And I also have some really exciting news about these Built bars. So if you want to try the variety pack of these, which I suggest that you do, you can use my promo code FITGEN3 for $3 off, and that'll bring the cost of this box to just $6.95. And I think that is an awesome deal for these bars. There's 6 of them in here, and you get a variety of them. That way you can, you know, taste it before you buy it and see which flavor you love, because I know you're gonna love them. And then you can go on and make your bigger purchase, which is going to be this big box here. And if you just want to take my word for it and buy this big box, this coconut one, you can use my promo code FITGEN10 for 10% off of your order, and you will then be getting this deliciousness sent right to you. So I'll leave the link in the bottom bar down below for you to check out. And if you do decide to check them out, let me know what flavor you got and which one you're loving. And yeah, so that is it for this video, you guys. So these are just some of the snacks that I eat throughout the day. I do eat a lot of fruit throughout the day as well, so this is just something that I eat on occasion. I also, as far as fruits go, I really love kiwi, bananas, and strawberries. So those are just some snacks that I love, that I also eat like in between meals and things like that. So if you have tried any of these, or if you're curious about any of these snacks, or if you have any other snack suggestions that you guys are eating and loving, let me know in the comments down below so that I can try them out and add to my snack collection. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.